and welcome back to Planet Zoo, where we are currently here with our reindeer. So we just got these added in last time, and look how pretty he is. The sky's really pretty right now. Oh my gosh, look. Yes, and we actually got some people watching. Yeah, so we are going to get some doll sheep in today, and yeah, so sorry guys, those my dog, he's a little crazy, he just ran by. But actually first, let's move this bench over here. Okay, and let's get the path going along the front. So just do that so that people can view our reindeer from multiple sides. Vector, let's see your report. We're always going to be 4 out of 5. Oh, wait, where's Habitat 5? Oh, I think that's actually our polar bears. Yeah. I think it's because they're bored. Alright. Yeah, so... Oh, wait, now it's fine. Wait, did I? I thought the barrier status was just, the cleanliness or something. Yeah, so look at our wonderful wide zoo. But, ooh, we actually need donation boxes all along here. Don't forget to donate, folks. We have lots of places for you to donate, don't worry. You guys can donate plenty and help our Arctic animal cause. Alright, let's actually get some benches in here. Alright. Let's get some benches. There can be this. Actually, wait, no, because we're actually gonna use. Alright, so, let's do that. Oh, yeah, there's, someone else here. Shaddy. And, oh, that's. Oh, look, I'm here. Hi, So. Are you being quiet? You better be being quiet. There's be quiet signs everywhere. Please be quiet. Alright, Self. Yeah, so let's actually check up on our polar bears. How you doing? Not good. So... Okay. Why don't you guys... There's still two... Oh, I think it's actually because we don't have any, coolers in the pool. Yeah, that's what I thought. So... Oh, wait, it's cold now. Did it... I don't know. Let's just put one in there. Is it? Oh, that's why, because it's snowing. I was like, how did it just turn so much colder? It's because it's snowing. And the water's being clean. Oh, wait, we can actually check now by selecting the body of water. That's so much nicer. Alright. Yep, 100% clean. Temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. Think that's pretty cold? I think. I don't know. I can't convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, so. Okay, whoa, this is actually really cool. It's our little herd of reindeer. Hello, Leppa. And guys, whoa, hello there. Marjut. I get it. Do you actually have any mates yet? Yeah, no, so he has no mate. Okay, so reindeer actually like big herds. Okay, yeah, but, let's get that Dall sheep exhibit going, guys, so that we can, we can really have all of the animals in here. Well, all of the animals from the Arctic, plus our lovely timber wolves. We had to have those in first, guys. Alright, but how much space do they actually need? We need a pause. Alright. Actually, you know what? We can leave it running. We shouldn't be looking long. Okay, so they don't need a lot of sheep. I don't know why. I was thinking about Dall sheep, and then I was going to say space, but bleh. Space? Whoa, they have a lot. Cool. Okay. What am I looking for even? Oh my goodness. 3 to 41 male and 30. Okay, so the alphabet. Oh, that's actually really cool. So it says here for their dominance, there's one alpha male with a bunch of females, I guess, so that he can mate and have as many babies as possible. But then it's by age. Ooh, VIP guest. Age and horn size, which I actually find super interesting. Can I not click on it? Oh, there. Grant Allison, hello. Yeah, so, ooh, I absolutely love this one. Yeah, so it's a Zur, which I absolutely love. Oh no, it's not snowing anymore. Look at all of it melting. It's just melting. Oh, icicle. You're hungry? Keeper? You know what? I think yeah. You know what? Let's just give our Dall sheep a habitat. I was debating. Not debating. That's not a thing. I was debating whether we should actually just go straight to building that Arctic habitat, or the Arctic section, or if we should go with our Dall sheep. But I think we're gonna go with our Dall sheep for now, so let's get that in. Because I want to see all of that. There we go. Alright, took me a while, but okay, and yeah, I guess we'll get the habitat gate back here. Alright, then let's get the glass in here first, over here. Let's select all of this so that guests will be sure to have a good view, even though they're always complaining about not having a good view. And when we build, like our actual Arctic section, we're gonna make sure that they look really cool. I'm not the best builder, but I think I do. Can this not fit here? Okay, hold. Please hold. But I think I do have a few ideas on on what we can do to make everything really cool and all And you know, like something, I know this is just, can I X out of this? Thank you. Something that like you would be like, wow, at a real zoo. That you would go there specifically to see, if that makes sense. Because I think, you know, I want my zoo to be real. Like, something that you would why is it obstructed? It shouldn't be obstructed. I'm sorry. What? Why is it obstructed? There's nothing here. Wait. Are there any hidden barriers by chance? Why? Why are you obstructed? Can it just not? Okay. I'm sorry, Path. I'm very sorry that we had to take the long way, because for some reason we just can't build here. Okay, so let's move our doll sheep in right away. Alright. Yeah, so guys, remember to, excuse me, to leave comments down below, because whether it be name suggestions for our animals, which I would absolutely love, because, okay guys, it's name suggestions. We get to name our animals. We don't just have Leppa. Leppa's actually kind of a cool name. We have something else, you know? Something that is you guys, to get you guys involved. So leave those name suggestions, because I really don't want to name all of them. Or just for your comments, you could just leave like a nice comment, like, I don't know, I don't want to give examples, but like, just leave like a nice comment that I would like to read. And then, since we've only had one commenter, Kit Kat, then actually, you know, Kit Kat got to be a vet in our zoo, and he got to name our zoo single-handedly, and he got to be a vet in the zoo just because he was the only one who left a comment. So, leave those comments, guys, because, you know, that would really help out. Does anyone? Bro, our zoo is big. And let's actually see if they're transporting the animals. Good. He has a high workload? Sir. Training. Oh! You want to be trained? You wanted your training? You shall get your training. How's our mechanic do? Okay, she's doing good. Okay, he's almost there. I honestly can't get over this water. Look at how pretty it is. It's just like the bluest thing that you've ever seen. Look at that. Wait, that picture is so pretty. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Uh-oh, hold on. Why are you hungry? Oh, did we? I was like, oh yeah, let's get a keeper in. We never got a keeper in. Okay, you're in the habitat. Can we not? Okay. You get to go right here. And keeper? Wait, no, the keepers feed them. Keepers being requested. I feel like we never see Snowball. Where's Snowball? Okay, good. Keeper, come to their aid, please. Okay, good. Are you taking care of them? My pay is fair. Yes, I just hired you. You're not sad yet. Okay, her last name is Bowser. Yes, the Double Sheep are almost here. Hopefully, Snowball and Icicle will get better. Oh, wait, there's already one in here? Wait, why don't I know about this? Charlotte, alright. Okay, sweet, they actually love the train. Oh, but they could do with a little bit of snow. Wait, do they need no shard helter? What is that? Do they need no hard shelter? I'm actually surprised by that. Alright, who is that? Is it the male? Searless. I believe it is the male, guys. Yeah, alright. So, let's just give them all their basic needs in here. Just let's filter it to doll sheep. I passed them, didn't I? Okay. Let's give them a couple food troughs. Because we do want a good amount in here. Did you not get fed? Hello, keeper. Okay, our keepers are slacking right now. Where's the keeper? Oh. Ooh. Okay, I see the problem. They have to go so far away. You know what? Let's change that. We'll just have a little keeper hut over here. Small little keeper hut, and let's give them a staff room over here. Since we don't have any of them actually like assigned to work zones, if they're over here, they'll just go rest in the staff rooms, and they can also go rest in the keeper hut. But alright, let's get back to... Whoa, it just got dark very fast. Oh, look, they're playing! Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright. So they have that. Nice, we have some enrichment. Ooh, they have like scratching trees. Okay. Barrel feeders. Oh. Rubbing pillar. Okay, we're just gonna place everything down. Make sure they're all happy. Let's give them a little... Wait, what is this shelter? Oh, that's actually really cute. What? Inspectors here? Ooh, I like all these shelters. I've actually Whoa, bro. Yeah, I've actually researched these for my other zoo station. These are actually all really cool. Log shelter. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, it's snowing. Wait, no. That's not the New World shelter. Whoa, I like this one. Okay, guys, you'll probably be needing your shelter, won't you? I thought there were... Okay, yeah. Okay, Teddy Arthur, we're going to train you because I think you've been doing really good. And let's get a closer trade center. We'll just, we'll just make everyone happy over here. So, Teddy Arthur, you will now be able to move animals from here instead of super far away. And hi! How's it going? Oh, okay. I hope we get babies soon because, like, our polar bears, one's at 100% fertility and one's at, like, 83%. Yeah, okay, so they're mates. Wait, where's their social dog? Alright. I love when it snows. I'm glad I chose a location where it snows. And we haven't actually checked on our wolves in, VIP cat. I was going to say in so long. So, let's go check on our little timber wolves. I'm actually really worried about Rue. He's getting so old. Rue, don't die. I don't want Root to die. Oh, we actually need a mechanic. And what did I want to do? Oh yeah. We'll actually improve meal quality later. Oh, Roo, I don't want you to die. Oh, buddy. You've been with us as the first animal. Let's play some bedding down. Oh, that's gonna be really sad. Wait, I think we actually have some statues. Wait, what are the props here? Archways, general props, huh, okay. I think what we're looking for, whoa, oh, we have no fountains, are some wolf statues, because I know that these exist. Okay, yeah, so those are two. Okay, yeah, so there are actually wolves, and I think we should actually use them in memory of our wolves. So each time one is born, we'll add one of these statues. So, oh sweet, someone just nominated. So, Root, I know it says on the back, Root, no, that's Petal. Petals. No, they're both elderly. Oh. Wait, I think oh, I thought Branch was his mate. I was like, wait, what? Red brown fur coat with dark mock. Okay, so now his statue, we're going to name it Statue of Root. And then, actually, let's put first generation, because he was the first generation. So let's edit the colors. Said he was brown, so let's see. I don't really know how to get brown on these things. It's very, aha. What did that do? Oh, I think that was just his legs. That's a little dark. Let's make it, Root, can we make it lighter, buddy? Okay, and I think he's just covered with snow right now. That's a little too red. Let's get it. Okay, I think that's good for now, but see, Leppa, why are you hungry? Why are the keepers not feeding you? Keeper! Keeper? How are doll sheep doing? Hi guys! Yeah, so alright guys, please, well, yeah, next time, we are going to get that Arctic, going. Look how pretty this is. Oh my freaking gosh. This is, stop turning. This is so pretty. That tree is really cool too. Yeah, so please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with our adventure in Planet Zoo. Yeah, so Nature Wolf out.